Hey guys, today we're making some curry goat, and to my Dutch pot I'm gonna add some vegetable oil along with ginger, pimento seed, and two different brand of curry. I'm gonna use the Blue Mountain curry along with the Better Pack curry. Here I'm just sauteing the curry along with the pimento seed and ginger in the oil. Most people that say them I burn the curry, but ah, it's not burned. We just barely saute it in some oil. Then I'm gonna add the seasoned curry goat to that mixture and saute it for roughly 2 3 minutes before adding any form of liquid to that pot. For the sake of YouTube, I'm doing a voiceover because I'm not a voiceover kind of girly. So when you just bear with me. So when you're adding water to the pot, just add a little. You don't want to flood the pot of water. You just add a little bit just to get the meat going. I had some ginger or garlic in that water, so don't mind that. After about an hour, I test the meat. It wasn't cooked, so I'm gonna add some Rare Nephew rum to the pot just to get a boost of flavor. So we have a long way to go with the cooking. So I'm just gonna leave it because it's bring its own water. Cover it and let it cook for maybe a next hour or two. Remember, in between that time, you're gonna check on the goat and add water if it needs any. To a chopping board, I'm gonna set aside some seasoning for the pot once the meat is fully cooked. We have onion, we have scotch bonnet pepper, we have some garlic, we also have our scallion and thyme. Do remember to wash all your seasoning before adding them to the pot. These are russet potatoes. I'm thinly chopping these. Also a medium size carrot. Dice it in your desired shape. I'm just doing it the regular way right here. Simple and easy. Once the goat meat is cooked, I'm going to go ahead and add all my seasoning, herbs, and spices to the pot. Give it a light stir because you don't want to break the meat apart. We're just gonna allow the Irish potato to cook and the gravy to thicken. Once all of that is done, we're gonna taste again to make sure you don't need any additional salt or herb or spices. Once everything is nicely seasoned and cooked to your liking, then the meat is ready. Guys, hope you enjoy this video and thanks for watching.